What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. We're sitting here in the C43. This is just going to be a quick update video. There's not going to be any flashy shots of the C43 or cool intros or anything. So the reason why I'm making this quick update video is because, well, if you follow my channel, you'll know that on Friday I took my C43 into Mercedes to have a few little problems checked out. They're in another video. I'm going to make a video about that trip to Mercedes with the dash cam footage and everything as promised, and I'm going to go through what they found out and we're going to make some tests. But while they were there, they did a complimentary health check on the car and they found out something really alarming. So I just want to make this quick update video to explain to you guys what's happened. So during the health check, they found that one of the rear shock absorbers is actually slightly warped. So what that means is, I think it's the rear driver's side, so just behind me there. So there's damage done to the shock absorber, and they're actually going to have to replace the entire shock absorber. Given the fact that I haven't even had the car a year yet and it's practically still new, that's a very alarming issue, and I'm wondering how long this has been like this, because the car's not really had a proper health check before. However, Mercedes were really good about this. I didn't even need to question it. They immediately told me that they would completely replace the part, fully covered on the car's warranty, so it's not going to cost me a penny. But it's a bit alarming, it's a bit worrying. I'm interested to see if the car's going to feel any different when they fixed it. So here's the situation. So on Monday, the guy from Mercedes is going to give me a call first thing in the morning. He's going to let me know if they can get the part, and he's going to order the part, and then I'm just gonna have to wait. And then once they've got the part in stock, we're going to book my car in and they're just going to do it for me. So bit of a bummer really. I just want to make this video to update you guys and let you know, if you've got a new C43, take it into Mercedes for a health check. They're free, it's all covered under warranty. They'll check the car, and if they find anything, then they'll fix it. So there you have it guys, just a quick update video. I will be back soon with the full video of the trip to Mercedes, so look out for that one. But yep, I'm checking out. I'll see you guys soon.